please close doors when able.
Roger. Do the closing doors.
Thank you. Okay, I'll just adjust my seat. Medyo matangkad yung huling umupo dito, so kailangan na konting adjustment. Yun, perfect. Okay. So, again, welcome to the Airbus A320 simulator. First time in a simulator? Okay, nice. So, as you can see, we are at NAIA Terminal 2. Ang ganda nga ng representation, di ba? On the simulator. So, yeah, this is Terminal 2. If you look to the right, there's Terminal 3, Resorts World, kitang-kita. And yung very popular na Presidential Airlift Wing, of course, nandyan sa right side. So, first thing we have to do when we get in the cockpit is we have to do a few things to prepare yung airplane for a departure. So, first thing we're gonna do is sa Airbus kasi we have a philosophy which is dapat dark cockpit philosophy, which means wala dapat tayo nakikitang white lights sa overhead natin. So, as you can see here on the overhead panel, we have a few white lights. Okay? Now, white light means na there's a system that should be on pero naka-off. So ito, importante ito kasi these are the fuel pumps of our engines. So can you go ahead, turn all of them on? Yeah. Yep, all of the white lights. Okay, good. So that will ensure na pagka-start tayo ng engine, we have fuel supply. Next thing we want to do is turn on the seatbelt sign. Can you turn that on? Okay. And lastly, can you turn on the beacon light? Ito, turn it to the on position. So, yung beacon light, if you're not familiar, is the red flashing light sa labas ng eroplano. Okay. So, that signals the ground crew na magsa-start na tayo ng engines. So, wag na sila lumapit. Kasi I'm sure, may imagine mo ano mangyayari kung nag-start tayo ng makina tapos lumapit sila. Diba? Hindi yan. Not a good thing. So, next thing I'm gonna do is I am going to request for our pushback and start clearance. Manila ground, Sputnik 314, request pushback and start clearance.
Sputnik 314, Manila ground, pushes are approved, east.
Pushes are approved, facing east, Sputnik 314, thanks. Okay, so sabi ng air traffic controller, we have clearance na to do our pushback and to do our engine start. So from there, we have to talk to the ground crew naman, yung mga nasa baba. Cockpit to ground.
Ground cockpit.
Cockpit to ground, confirm all doors are closed and locked.
From Captain, all doors check close and locked.
Roger, we're clear for pushback and start up for runway 31 facing east.
Roger, Captain. Thank you for pushing start face east. Please release parking brake.
Roger. Okay, so sabi niya release parking brake para ma-commence na nila yung pushback. So this is the parking brake of the airplane. Can you twist it to the off position? Angat mo siya, then twist mo siya to the off position. Okay, good. Brakes released, off blocks 4-3.
Roger, Captain. Commencing pushing. Cleared start engines.
Roger, starting engines. Okay, sabi nila, cleared na raw tayo to start the engines. As you can see, nagpo-push back na tayo. landing gear up, pull this out, then pull it up. Okay. Nice one, good takeoff. Okay, now let's follow our flight director. Okay, so pitch down ka ng konti.
Sputnik 314, contact on departure 124.4.
124.4 Sputnik 314. Manong departure Sputnik 314, 1,500 climbing 5,000.
Sputnik 314, the departure you are identified to speak left at 200 direct line.
Flight level 200 direct Laia Sputnik 214. Okay, so now aircraft wants us to make a left turn, so follow the flight director. Now we have to set climb power sa engine. So can you reduce this by 2 clicks? Okay. 2 clicks. 1, 2. Okay, good. Go. Yeah. Start using the autopilot. Sige, press mo AP2. Okay, so the reason why we press AP2 is because depende kung sino lumilipad. So since you are the pilot flying, ako yung pilot monitoring, AP2 tayo kasi side mo yan. So sa Airbus or most modern airliners, ganun yung design niya. There are redundancies. So kunyari mag-fail yung autopilot 2, may autopilot 1 pa rin tayo. We have backups. Kahit sa, sabihin natin sa radyo, for example, there we also have 1 and 2. Ayan. So kung mag-fail yung one side, pwede tayo mag-switch to side 2. Diba? So we have redundancies as backups. Okay ba? Okay. Let's start this off. Actually yun, pwede kayo pakita sa'yo. This is one of the features we have in the Airbus. That's a terrain display. So makikita natin kung may bundok, kung may tubig, kung may land. Basically, pag the more intense the color gets, so yellow, orange, ganun, mas mataas yung terrain niya. Yan. Pero now, since tubig lang, tsaka flat land lang, black, blue, green, yan lang. Yan. Pero since we're already 19,000 feet na tayo, halos pwede natin patayin yan. Departure Sputnik 314, request higher.
Sputnik 314, contact on control 119.3.
119.3 Sputnik 314. Visibility is unlimited. Few clouds at 2,000 feet. Scattered clouds at 10,000 feet. Broken clouds 25,000 feet. So yan yung sky condition around the area. Another important thing is itong 29 na to, that's the temperature outside. So it's 29. Can you put 29? Put it here sa QNH. Good. Oh. Sorry, mali pala. Sorry, dito pala sa temperature. Yeah. Tapos yung lalagay dito sa QNH is it says here 1010. Okay, put it here sa QNH. Now yung QNH na yan, that's basically yung weight ng air pressure outside. So, di ba pag nanonood tayo ng weather report, sasabihin low pressure area, parang ganun, high pressure area. Ito yung measurement nun, kung if the area is low pressure, high pressure. So, di ba pag low pressure minsan bad weather, ganun. Ito naman, this isn't low pressure, so this is fine. Okay. And expect runway 04 for arrival. Okay. So, the reason why in-enter natin to lahat, the reason why in-enter natin tong data na to lahat is so alam ng airplane paano liparin yung approach natin. So, it needs to know all the variables at our destination para alam niya yung performance niya. At at the same time, it also needs to calculate our proper speeds approach.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. From the flight deck, this is your Captain Leo speaking aboard Sputnik Aviation, flight number 310. We are 15 minutes to landing as we start our descent for an on-time arrival into Cebu International Airport, where the weather is expected to be good. Wherever your travels may take you, we'd like to thank you for choosing Sputnik Aviation today on your flight to Cebu. Again, for everyone's safety, follow the cabin settings and the instructions of the cabin crew. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the flight. We hope to see you again on board on your future flights here with Sputnik Aviation. Thank you.
Alright, good job. Okay. Okay, we just passed the waypoint Boyer. To disconnect the autopilot, press this button twice. Okay, good job. Now, follow the flight director. Okay, reduce the power all the way.
30,
All the way, all the way.
20, retard, 5,
Okay, good landing. Now use your reverse thrust. There we go. Okay, balik natin. Nice landing. Good job. Okay, so let's get our taxi instructions lang.
Roger, Captain. Welcome to Mactan.
Okay, nice one. Good flying.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Very smooth.